Today I got a problem. I downloaded a fixed file and it downloaded as a CR download file. This means the download is failed data. To fix this problem, just delete this file and go back to the same source, select the three dot icon and select downloads. And you can able to see it is failed data. Select this three dot icon and select retry. And now it will start downloading. As you can see, it download as a RAR file. When this download failed, it changed to CR downloads. As you can see here, it shows CR download. Wait for this to done. Once the download done, go to downloads in File Explorer, and as you can see, it changed to WinRAR, and now you can able to extract the file without having any problem. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.